what's your profitability like? So great, you've got more sales, but if it costs you more, are you really coming out ahead?
Well, insurance is kind of a unique beast when it comes to that. So I'm happy to say that last month we set a new sales record, the most sales that we had in a month. So that's
Congratulations.
terrific. Right, thank you. This month so far it's a little bit down, but the early results were that we had a sales increase, which was good. From a profitability standpoint, a little less profitable that month, but insurance is always going to be less profitable in year one. Our profitability, the things that we really are looking for is we're modeling year 2 and out. We want, if at least for my model, and I know different insurance agents have different views on this, but if I can break even in year 1, I'm very happy. And year 2 and on is really where the profit comes. So, and how does that, how does that work with what I'm doing here? Is that if I can remain break even on year 1, but do it on a much larger group of clients, then year 2, our profitability is exponentially higher.